What's up, guys? Today's video is brought to you by Sunber. Sunber was nice enough to send your girl over this really bomb curly wig, so we're about to get into it. Let's go ahead and unbox first and see what we got. We got a lace band to lay that lace down, an edge brush for the baby hair, and HD wig cap. And last but not least, we got some pre-everything tape strips. That way you can wear the wig glueless like I'm going to for this install. This wig is their 24-inch 13x4 pre-everything water wave drawstring wig, and I love the fact that it has the elastic band on the inside and the drawstring. And look at the lace, you guys. It already came with the baby hairs cut and ready to go, so it's gonna make this install 10 times easier. And like I said, the adjustable band and the drawstring make the wig adjustable so that it can fit snug onto your head and you can wear this unit glueless. Straight out of the packaging, I'm loving the water wave curls. So I am going to style this wig. So this is everything that I'm going to be using. I have my conditioner, my spritz, my active even spray, my styling got to be gel, some mousse, which I need some more of, and a spray bottle to wet the hair, my detangling brush, and my hot comb. I'm also going to use a hair clip to separate the hair. So you want to make sure you have a towel if you're going to be styling on the mannequin, just because I am going to be wetting the hair and I don't want my floor to be wet, so I put a towel under the mannequin head. That way my floor is not wet. But I'm just going in and sectioning off the hair and applying all the products into the hair, so that way I can have the curl pattern and the look that I'm going for. As you can see, I put the mousse, the styling gel, the conditioner all in the hair. Each time I sectioned the hair, I applied more product. So I applied the tape on the ear tabs and secured my wig down with the comb, and then I also pulled the drawstring in the back to secure the wig even more. And then I also went in with my Eben active lace spray to make sure that the hair is even more secured and the lace is looking extra melted, giving it's my scalp. Okay, so we're going to use our lace band to go ahead and just lay that down, and then we're going to go ahead and finish styling the hair. So I wanted to do a half up, half down kind of style because this wig is very versatile and has a lot of lace to work with. But I wanted to do it in like my own kind of way, not like the traditional half up, half down. So I ended up using the hot comb to get the top of the hair really flat, so that way I can get it into a ponytail. And I had the back sectioned off, separated, so that I didn't mix the hair. And then I also put these two pieces down in the front. I thought that was really cute as well.
When I get on, it's gonna be amazing. When we get it on, it's amazing. Let's talk about us if you hear me out. They only love me cause they see me getting money now. Bought the whole front row at the show if you paid it. No, nobody got you like I do. Can't nobody got you like you. I know your flaws, I know what makes you who you are. I wish I had all the answers to your heart.
And for this style, I did use 2 rubber bands just so that I can make sure the hair was going to be tight in the ponytail and not come undone. So here I'm just twisting the hair and then wrapping it around. But when you secure the little bun, you want to make sure that you leave some of the hair out so you can have it looking like that. Now we're going to work on the sideburns and the back of the hair. So we're going to go ahead and cut our sideburns first, and we're also going to cut some of the hair in the front because it was a little long. And then we're going to do our baby hairs and our sideburns. I absolutely love how this hair came out, you guys. If you guys are interested in this same wig, make sure you guys go ahead and check out the link down below in the description box. I will have the link to this direct hair and also to the Sunber website. Thank you so much to Sunber for sponsoring today's video, and I love my hair.